G'day! In today's video I've got a Dell Inspiron P75F and hopefully I'll be installing a new battery and also adding another, I think 6 or 4 gig of RAM to make it 8 gig of RAM in total. And this particular one is relatively straightforward to do if memory serves me right. I'm just using a fairly small Phillips head screwdriver, not a teeny tiny one like I would normally use for phone repairs. So hopefully you have something similar to that kicking around your house. That screw was already loosened. And it's in the wrong spot. Interesting. Now I believe a couple of these back screws should but aren't. There we go. Now if I use a bit of force in the corner, push down with my palm, pull up at the edge. That came off and apart a lot easier than I anticipated. Look at box number 1. I have 4 gig of DDR4 2400T here. Hopefully we will be compatible. Now this is a customer supplied one. I should be able to install it. I've basically got to line up here with the cutout here or here, and then put it in on about a 45 or 35 degree angle and pull down to lock in. So I sit it in the groove there, push it in so those gold pins are mostly not visible, then push down, preferably on both corners. That should lock it into position just like that. So that one there is very straightforward. If I undo the screw here, here, here. This has already been a replaced battery, as this is not a genuine Dell battery. Just pull this tab down, lift it up like that. I'm probably going to have to swap this little cable over to the new battery. So I'll check. Go. So as expected, this bit should pull straight out and slide into here, push in, should be looking kind of like that. Dell battery WDX0R. Now this should line up here. It's easy to push this cable in first. Push it up, there we go, up and in, line up those screw holes, and reverse the screws. So that was slightly easier than I expected. Next up I'll make sure it will charge and make sure it detects that 4 gig stick of RAM there. This will now be running in dual channel. There's 8 gig of RAM, which will give it a slight performance boost as opposed to using a single 8 gig single stick. I'll line this up over here, push down, that's what I want to hear. Yep, that's good. Screw up here, here, bingo, and then this one that came out of the wrong spot I reckon probably belongs here, I'm going to assume. The longer screws can go to the corners. Probably enough. I don't have a large amount of screws here. There. Got 3 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 spots. Slightly odd. Long screw I'll try here. But I do have a bag of screws floating here. I'm curious. They're all not the right screws. That one maybe? Nope. I will go through my collection to make sure that they're all good. But either way, I hope this helps with the upgrading of your Dell Inspiron. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.